Amazon forest is the largest forest in the world, and 60% of the Amazon forest is present in the Brazil. Regarding how to remember, I had gave in the earlier video which is there in the link below. So you can watch it and you can remember which are all the countries which are covering the Amazon forest. The news is Ecuador had conducted a referendum in order to continue the oil drilling in Amazon forest. So there is a very big national park which is called as Yucaba. In that national park, which is a world biodiversity spot, in the two Amazonian tribes are there, Tagaria and Tokonamimi. So these are the two tribal communities who are located in this particular area, whereas the Ecuador country president want to do oil drilling. For that, they conducted a referendum, and out of 10 people, every 6 people rejected that oil drilling should not happen. Why? Because the tribal people will be impacted. Hence, it is in the news, and it is also an example for how the public participation and democracy will help disadvantaged sections like tribal people to come out of the atrocities or because of the unilateral decisions taken by the governments of the day. Thank you.